In this video, we will learn about Asset Infinity's manufacturing asset management system. Let us understand how your multiple problems can have one solution. Automotive manufacturing companies manage large plants, machines, assembly lines, and warehouses. They need to maintain their machinery. Furthermore, spare parts and consumables are also required for effective equipment maintenance and repair. So, they also require tracking. Let us now understand how you will be able to improve your asset performance through maintenance. You can get reports like MTBF, MTTR, and machine-wise breakdown analysis for quality maintenance. In our system there is clear visibility of plant asset conditions to the management and the facility maintenance teams. Through our system you can record utility consumption, and manufacturing outputs against budgets for each plant unit. Our asset management software keeps track of each and every asset's health and schedules maintenance as per the requirements. With our system, you can define the frequency of maintenance activities, daily, weekly, and monthly. Let us now understand what benefits you will get if you will use our manufacturing asset management software. You can do auditing effectively with the help of our system with correct depreciation calculation and whatnot. With the help of our system you can manage your inventory in one centralized system. As everything is automated in our system you can decrease the labor cost in your organization. As you manage and track assets in our system you can minimize asset breakdown. With regular tracking and management, the life of every asset is being increased. At last, let us understand how to able to manage your assets effectively. Use detailed analytics and reports to make informed business decisions. Improve efficiency and enhance productivity with asset tags and labels. Reminders to technicians through mobile notifications, SMS and email for delayed activities. Schedule a demo today or sign up for a free trial.